Many seniors believe losing strength is simply an unavoidable part of aging. But what if the real problem is not age? It is nutrition. What if the foods in your own kitchen could naturally rebuild muscle, restore energy, and help you stay active without relying on expensive protein powders? Today on LiveWell Insights, we are revealing 8 powerful, everyday foods that can help seniors over 60 protect and rebuild precious muscle tissue naturally. These are not trendy supplements or complicated diets. They are simple, affordable foods backed by real science. From a creamy dairy favorite packed with muscle-triggering amino acids, to a refreshing fruit that reduces soreness, and even tiny ocean fish loaded with strength-boosting nutrients, each food on this list plays a unique role in keeping your body strong and independent. Stay with us until the end, because the final food might completely change how you think about maintaining strength after 60. Welcome to LiveWell Insights. Today we explore how seniors can rebuild strength using natural foods instead of those expensive, processed supplements. If you enjoy learning simple, natural ways to stay strong and healthy as you age, make sure to subscribe to LiveWell Insights and join our growing community focused on healthy aging. As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes a crucial challenge for our overall health, mobility, and independence in our daily lives. Many people believe that expensive protein powders are the only solution, but nature provides us with incredibly powerful and delicious alternatives. You can easily restore your strength and vitality by simply adding specific, nutrient-dense whole foods to your everyday grocery shopping list. Let us dive into the ultimate natural foods that will effectively help you preserve and rebuild your precious muscle tissue today. And if you find this information helpful, consider sharing this video with a friend or family member who might benefit from it. These everyday superfoods are packed with essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that specifically target muscle recovery and prevent age-related decline. Forget about complicated supplement routines. We are going back to basics with wholesome ingredients that your body can easily absorb naturally. Our first incredible muscle-building food might surprise you, as it is a delicious dairy product often overlooked in healthy eating plans. Ricotta cheese is widely considered the most powerful muscle food because it contains an exceptionally high amount of natural whey protein. This delicious cheese is absolutely packed with leucine, a vital amino acid that acts as a direct trigger for muscle building. Leucine signals your body to start synthesizing new muscle fibers, making ricotta cheese an essential addition to your daily dietary routine. Unlike heavy protein shakes, ricotta is easily digestible and provides a fast-acting source of nourishment for your aging muscles after activities. You can enjoy ricotta cheese mixed with fresh fruits or spread on whole-grain toast for a perfectly balanced and delicious meal. Just a half cup of ricotta delivers an impressive protein punch that directly supports your physical strength and overall functional mobility. Seniors who regularly consume ricotta often report feeling significantly stronger and more energetic throughout their daily walks and routine household chores. If you already enjoy ricotta cheese, let us know in the comments how you like to eat it. It is a versatile ingredient that seamlessly blends into both sweet and savory dishes, making your muscle-building journey incredibly enjoyable daily. Next time you visit the supermarket, make sure to grab a high-quality tub of ricotta cheese to boost your protein intake. Now let us move from the dairy aisle to the fresh produce section to discover our next surprising muscle recovery superfood option. Watermelon is not just a refreshing summer treat, it is a phenomenal fruit that significantly aids in muscle recovery and repair. This juicy fruit is rich in citrulline, a unique amino acid that dramatically improves blood circulation throughout your entire muscular system. Better blood flow means that vital nutrients and oxygen can reach your tired muscles much faster, accelerating the natural healing process. Studies show that consuming watermelon can actually reduce post-exercise muscle soreness by up to 40% in older adults staying active. When your muscles hurt less, you are much more likely to stay active and maintain a healthy, consistent daily exercise routine. If you are still watching, give this video a quick like so more people can discover these natural, muscle-building foods. You can blend fresh watermelon into a delicious morning smoothie, or simply enjoy crisp slices as a hydrating afternoon snack daily. The natural sugars in watermelon also provide a quick energy boost without the harmful crash associated with highly processed, sugary snacks. Hydration is crucial for muscle function, and watermelon provides an excellent source of water to keep your muscle tissues perfectly lubricated. This vibrant red fruit truly offers a delicious and highly effective way to protect your body against age-related muscle discomfort today. Moving on to our third powerhouse food, we look at a convenient pantry staple that offers incredible benefits for aging muscles. Canned salmon is an absolute nutritional powerhouse, providing exceptional amounts of high-quality protein and essential fatty acids for your aging body. It is loaded with healthy omega fats, which actively help make your aging muscles much more sensitive to dietary protein absorption. This increased sensitivity means your body can utilize the protein you eat much more efficiently to build and repair muscle tissue. Canned salmon also contains soft, edible bones that provide a fantastic natural source of calcium and vitamin D for skeletal strength. Vitamin D is absolutely critical for healthy muscle function, and many seniors naturally lack enough of this vital nutrient during winter. The combination of healthy fats and vitamin D makes canned salmon a perfect, affordable superfood for maintaining your physical independence daily. If you find these foods useful so far, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our future healthy aging guides. You can easily mix canned salmon into a vibrant salad or prepare delicious salmon patties for a highly nutritious evening dinner. It is incredibly convenient, requires no cooking from scratch, and stays fresh in your pantry for whenever you need a boost. Regular consumption of this fatty fish will significantly reduce inflammation in your joints, allowing you to move with much greater ease. Next up is a classic breakfast favorite that has been misunderstood for years, but is actually essential for building strong muscles. Whole eggs are truly a complete protein source, and eating the entire egg is crucial for maximizing your muscle-building potential daily. Recent studies confirm that consuming whole eggs helps build muscle 40% better than eating just the egg whites by themselves. The golden yolk contains essential healthy fats, vitamins, and unique nutrients that actively support the muscle synthesis process in older adults. Throwing away the yolk means you are discarding the most nutrient-dense part of the egg, missing out on vital health benefits. Eggs are incredibly easy to chew and digest, making them a perfect, high-quality protein source for seniors with sensitive digestive systems. Whether scrambled, boiled, or poached, whole eggs provide a versatile and delicious foundation for any muscle-supporting breakfast or quick afternoon snack. The natural cholesterol in eggs is actually used by your body to produce important hormones that naturally maintain and repair muscles. Starting your day with 2 whole eggs ensures your muscles receive a steady supply of essential amino acids throughout the morning. If eggs are part of your daily breakfast, comment "eggs" below so we know you are fueling your body right. They are also incredibly budget-friendly, proving that you do not need to spend a fortune to eat a highly nutritious diet. Let us now explore a powerful fermented beverage that will revolutionize how your body absorbs and utilizes all these wonderful proteins. Kefir is a fermented milk drink packed with billions of beneficial probiotics that dramatically improve your gut health and overall digestion. A healthy gut microbiome is absolutely essential because it ensures your body can properly absorb the protein from the foods eaten. If your digestion is weak, even the best protein sources will pass right through your system without benefiting your aging muscles. Kefir also provides a rich supply of casein, a slow-digesting dairy protein that continuously nourishes your muscles throughout the long night. Drinking a small glass of kefir before bed prevents your body from breaking down precious muscle tissue while you are sleeping. This tangy beverage is often better tolerated by those with lactose sensitivity, making it an excellent alternative to regular cow milk. You can blend kefir with a handful of fresh berries to create a delicious, gut-healing, and muscle-protecting evening dessert treat easily. The combination of easily digestible proteins and powerful probiotics makes kefir an absolute must-have in your daily senior health nutrition plan. Your immune system will also receive a massive boost from the friendly bacteria, keeping you healthy and active throughout the year. Now let us look at a humble pantry staple that provides crucial minerals for proper muscle contraction and overall physical endurance. Black beans are an outstanding source of plant-based protein and are incredibly rich in magnesium, a mineral vital for muscle function. Magnesium acts as a natural relaxant for your muscles, helping to prevent painful cramps and spasms that often disrupt senior sleep. These dark beans also provide a massive amount of dietary fiber, which helps stabilize your blood sugar levels and prevents fatigue. Stable energy levels mean you can remain physically active throughout the day without experiencing sudden crashes or feelings of extreme exhaustion. You can easily add black beans to hearty soups, fresh salads, or warm rice dishes for a satisfying and nutritious meal. They are incredibly cheap, easy to store, and provide a fantastic textural element to your daily meals while building strong muscles. Combining black beans with a source of vitamin C, like bell peppers, will significantly increase your absorption of their natural iron. Iron is essential for delivering oxygen to your working muscles, ensuring they have the energy required for your daily physical activities. Next, we have a vibrant root vegetable that is highly celebrated by athletes, but is equally beneficial for active older adults. Beetroot is a spectacular superfood that naturally increases nitric oxide production in your body, leading to significantly expanded and relaxed blood vessels. This expansion allows a massive rush of nutrient-rich blood to flow directly into your aging muscles during any gentle physical activity. Improved blood flow dramatically enhances your physical endurance, making your daily walks or gardening sessions feel much easier and less exhausting. Beetroot juice has been clinically proven to lower high blood pressure, offering a fantastic dual benefit for your cardiovascular and muscular health. You can roast fresh beetroots in the oven until tender, or simply drink a small glass of pure beetroot juice daily. The vibrant red pigments in beetroots are powerful antioxidants that actively fight cellular inflammation and protect your muscle tissues from damage. Adding just a few slices of pickled beetroot to your lunchtime sandwich can provide a noticeable boost to your afternoon energy. Our final superfood is another incredible ocean treasure that offers unparalleled nutritional benefits for maintaining youthful energy and strong, healthy muscles. Sardines are tiny fish that are absolutely overflowing with essential nutrients and vital compounds that help generate cellular energy naturally, daily. As we grow older, our natural energy production declines, making the nutrients found in sardines essential for fighting daily physical fatigue. Like canned salmon, sardines are packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats that actively reduce joint stiffness and promote muscle recovery. They are also one of the few natural food sources heavily loaded with vitamin D, which is crucial for bone integrity. Eating sardines on whole grain crackers with a squeeze of fresh lemon makes for a delightful, protein-packed snack during your busy afternoon. Because they are so small and low on the food chain, sardines contain virtually no mercury, making them exceptionally safe daily. These little fish deliver a massive nutritional payload that directly supports your heart, your brain, and your precious, hard-working muscle tissues. If you made it this far in the video, comment "strong" below so we know you are committed to healthy aging. By incorporating these 8 powerful foods into your diet, you are giving your body the exact tools it needs to thrive. However, knowing what to eat is only half the battle. Knowing exactly when to eat is equally critical for muscle preservation. let us discuss a vital lifestyle habit that can completely change how your body maintains its strength and vitality every day. You must prioritize eating a protein-rich breakfast within 30 to 60 minutes of waking up to protect your precious muscle mass. During the long night, your body enters a fasting state and can actually start breaking down your muscle tissue for energy. This destructive process is called muscle catabolism, and it is a primary reason why many seniors rapidly lose their physical strength. Eating a nutritious breakfast immediately stops this muscle breakdown process and shifts your body back into a healthy, muscle-building metabolic state. Skipping breakfast is one of the biggest mistakes older adults make when trying to preserve their mobility and overall physical independence. A simple morning meal of 2 whole eggs and a small side of ricotta cheese perfectly halts this dangerous catabolic process. Now let us look at a highly effective sample menu that beautifully combines these superfoods into a delicious, muscle-supporting daily routine. Start your morning strong with scrambled whole eggs, a generous scoop of ricotta, and a refreshing glass of fresh watermelon juice. For a satisfying lunch, enjoy a vibrant mixed salad topped with canned salmon, black beans, and a few slices of beetroot. For your evening dinner, you might enjoy a light dish featuring sardines alongside some steamed vegetables for optimal digestion and comfort. Finally, end your day with a soothing glass of probiotic-rich kefir to ensure your muscles are nourished throughout the long night. This simple, affordable, and delicious meal plan proves that you do not need expensive, processed supplements to maintain your physical strength. Nature has already provided everything your aging body requires to stay strong, vibrant, and completely independent for many years to come. Start incorporating these wonderful whole foods into your daily meals today and physically feel the incredible difference in your overall vitality. And before you go, remember to subscribe to LiveWell Insights for more science-backed tips on healthy aging. Thank you for watching LiveWell Insights. Stay strong, eat wonderfully healthy natural foods, and we will see you in our next video.